Load data from text with Pandas. I am loading a text file containing a mix of float and string data. I want to store them in an array where I can access each element. Now I am just doing. This is the structure of the input file, 10.2020783211.21347.283694221 file_address.txt. Now the data are imported as a unique column. How can I divide it? So to store different elements separately, so I can call data I, j. And how can I define a header?
You can use add sep equals in your code, leaving a blank space between the quotes. So Pandas can detect spaces between values and sort in columns. Data columns is for naming your columns. At Pietro Vismera's solution is correct, but I'd just like to add, rather than having a separate line to add column names, it's possible to do this from pd_read_csv.
I'd like to add to the above answers. You could directly use FWF stands for fixed width formatted lines.
You can use this.
If you wanted a brick channel, please consider liking and subscribing.